On the printer, press the Wi-Fi setup. Choose Wi-Fi setting and press OK. Turn on wireless. The printer will search for available networks. Select your desired network, SSID, and press OK. Enter your network password using the alphanumeric buttons and press OK. Confirm the password and press OK. The printer will attempt to connect to the network. If successful, a confirmation message will appear. Open the App Store on your mobile phone, download and install the HP Smart, e.g., Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Ensure that your mobile phone or iPhone connected to the wireless network. Open the HP Smart app on your mobile device. Follow the on-screen instructions. Tap on the plus icon to add a new printer. The app will automatically search for available printers on the network. Select your HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 5570 printer from the list of detected printers. Once you have selected or added your printer, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Test print. Once everything is set up, try printing a test page or document to ensure that everything is working correctly. That's it. You have successfully set up your HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 5570 printer. Enjoy using it.